Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have something a little bit different than what I usually upload on this channel. Today we're going to go over Ricky Gutierrez's Learn Plan Profit checklist to see if that checklist gives me a profitable trade or not. I found a stock that falls under a good amount of the criteria that he has here to follow. Of course, it's going to be kind of time consuming and to find a stock that actually falls under all of this bullet points that he has laid out here. Now, if you don't know who Ricky Gutierrez is, he's basically a day trader. He uploads videos on YouTube. He invests in the stock market, has a course. People think he's a scammer for uploading videos or making a course. But in my honest opinion, I think he's just leveraging different business models. As long as he's giving some sort of value in exchange for some sort of value, in this case being monetary value, I think it's okay, and that's not scamming anyone. But all points aside, let's go ahead and test this checklist to see if it's a profitable checklist to follow or if it's not a profitable checklist to follow. Disclaimer, whatever happens, if I profit or if I lose money on this trade, either way, this isn't a checklist for you to solely rely off of to make money. In this case, you should always take a position whether you think it's right and based on your knowledge and research that you have done and have acquired. Go by that and don't go by anyone else's opinion on whether a stock is going to go up or down. So with that being said, let's hop onto that checklist. I'm going to pull up Thinkorswim and I'm going to show you the stock and which indicators it falls under. So let's go and do that. So on screen here you see the checklist. I'm going to go over this really quick so you understand everything. So this is the perfect position checklist. Trading above the middle VWAP is basic. This is a technical indicator in Thinkorswim. Verify 180-day 4-hour pattern, 4-hour pattern horizontal / ascending uptrend. Trading above the 180-day EMA exponential moving average, another technical indicator. Margin of profit exceeds 3% from previous resistance. RSI below 50. MACD indicator showing signs of reversal. And then he also states this: remember, no one goes broke locking profits. Have an entry, or this is basically saying don't be greedy. Have an entry / exit stop loss plan prior to taking a position. Golden ratio: make sure the potential profit outweighs the potential for loss. FOMO, fear of missing out with hyped up stocks, is an account killer. Trading ascending patterns. Trade ascending patterns if you want your account to ascend. Okay, fair enough. Avoid pump and dumps and trade for the future, not for today. Okay, perfect. So what I'm going to do is put this checklist to the side here, and then I'm going to load up Thinkorswim, and this is a stock that I have identified that falls under 4 of these boxes and does not under 2. So this indicator, that this red line, yellow line, and pink line, this is called the VWAP indicator, which he states up here, trading above the middle VWAP. This is the VWAP right here. So this pink line is the VWAP. And it's basically trading above that VWAP. That's checked off. Let's verify that the 180-day and 4-hour pattern is in a horizontal or ascending uptrend. So let's go ahead and do that. And it's basically uptrending. We see that it broke below support here, but overall it's uptrending from the last 180 days. So that's good to go. Trading above the 180-day EMA. Okay, let's go back to the 1-day, 1-minute chart. And over here, the blue line here is the 180-day exponential moving average, and it is trading above it. And as we can see, some proof of support here. This hit hit near the 180-day exponential moving average, and what it did is it bounced off of it. So I guess it's a good indicator to go by. So next we have margin of profit exceeds 3% from previous resistance. This is the bullet point that it doesn't fall under, but we're just going to go ahead so you can see it's about 2%, not 3% exactly. Resistance being the top line here in the VWAP indicator. Okay, the RSI is below 50. This is another bullet point that it doesn't fall under, but yeah. So it's actually at 65 below 50 would be, you know, oversold, I guess in his case there. Let's see, MACD indicator showing signs of reversal. Okay, MACD, this one, it does actually show signs of reversal. If I can get this, there we go. So as you can see, the momentum is starting to build here rather than over here. It lost momentum, and now the MACD crossed the signal line, which is a good indicator of maybe a bullish turnaround. So that's basically it, and basically we identified that it falls under 4 rather than all 6, but that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead, take a position on this stock on Monday to say today's Sunday. The market isn't open, as you all know, and I'm going to keep you guys updated. It's going to be a day trade, so I'm going to upload a video tomorrow with the update, and I'm going to attach it to this video, make it just one video, not 2 separate ones. But anyways, I'm going to take a position with paper money because I do not want to risk my own money following someone else's checklist of any kind, because I believe that you should trade your own money with the knowledge and research that you acquired, like I stated before. But anyways, let's switch over to this camera view only. And yeah, that's all I wanted to cover. I'm going to continue this video tomorrow once I purchase the shares, as I stated previously. And I'm not even going to end the video now. I don't know why I'm ending the video now. I'm going to end the video tomorrow. And yeah, alright guys, so this is the continuation of Sunday's video. Today is Tuesday. I couldn't make a video of it yesterday because I was swamped with work, but today I have the chance to actually update you guys. So on screen right here, I have basically the chart VSLR, where we purchased and where we sold. So this is on the 1 year, 1 day. We see here that I purchased 500 shares at 823, as you saw previously in this video. And now the stock is sitting at 865. So if we go to active trader, we will see how much we profited on the day and how much we profited on since the open. So since the open, we profited $210, and since today is Tuesday, obviously it's going to be less than the total amount that we profited on since the open. It's going to be $180. So I think it's safe to say that following Ricky Gutierrez's checklist can give you a profitable trade, but like I said previously in this video, it isn't something you need to rely on in order to make a profitable trade. Sometimes, I don't know what the win ratio of following that checklist is, since I only tried it one time, but I mean, always go ahead and choose a stock and a position that you think is best for your finances. So I'll show you the 1 day, 1 minute chart here. And that's basically where we purchased, and that's basically where it's at right now. It's at a new high of 868, and it's currently in an uptrend, as you can see here. I do not think that this stock will reverse since we are in a strong uptrend here. This just crossed here, so we're picking up momentum, although we are kind of overbought or about to be overbought on the RSI. So that's something to take into consideration, but we are uptrending. We may see an increase in price since tomorrow, but I'm not relying on it. If we go to the 180-day 4-hour chart, we'll be able to see a little bit more in detail. Okay, so now we see the 50-day is below it, the 20-day. This is my swing trading indicators. So if this is going to continue going up, I would like to see the 20-day and the 50-day cross, but momentum, I think, here is kind of being a little stagnant, and we may see a little decrease in momentum, but only time will tell. And yeah, so that's basically it for this video. I'm going to switch over to this camera view. And basically, I think it's safe to say that Ricky Gutierrez's checklist actually does work. So if you want to go buy it, go right ahead. I don't recommend it, but yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and turn on that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Peace, guys.